roll out, son.
All right, Anthony. Anthony, we about to go down. Oh, Anthony. Oh, Anthony.
All right, son, let's jump on out. You gonna unload today. You gonna tell everybody what happened to your face again?
They get kicked in the face.
Now you done got kicked in the face, huh? After you was just recovering from your dirt bike war wound, now you done got kicked in the face at school and got another boo-boo on your face. Wow. All right, you ready? Let's go.
Yeah, I am mad.
What you mad?
Because the dirt track.
The dirt bike track?
Yeah.
Yeah. They closed today, but look, we got a whole field out here
With the police
that you about to
over
go
right there.
ahead and go practice on. Come on, jump out. Let's go. Get on back there and take them dirt bikes off. All right, go ahead and jump up here. And let's get ready. Take these dirt bikes off. What's up, big legend? What's going on? Let's get you out real quick.
Wow, dinosaur.
Oh, yeah?
How about a dinosaur?
All right.
That's a big legend.
All right, come on. Go ahead and unloosen those straps. You gonna make it, big legend? All right, you made it. All right, son, now loosen the straps. Right there. Got it. All right. Got it.
No, stop. Look, you gotta touch your feet on the ground. That's mean you can get like this, big legend. No, stop it. No, I can't do it. I can go like daddy, like that.
Big legend on that PW-50. Hanging out. All right, son, start the 110 up real quick. Start that bad boy up.
I don't want to turn that.
Let it warm up a little bit. Start it up. Yo, PW-50. Yeah, it was at the shop before. All right, son, fire that bad boy up. Can't start it today. Go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, big lad. You like yours better? Yours louder.